In this video, we're going to learn how to find the composite functions. So f of a g function, we replace every x in fx with gx. G of fx, we replace every x in gx with fx. So we're going to practice with a problem. Question number 1, f of gx functions. We substitute the entire function gx into the function fx. So we replace every x in fx with gx. Gx is 4x plus 3. So we're going to replace x with 4x plus 3. So 4x plus 3 minus 5 equals 4x minus 2. Question number 2, g of fx function. We're going to replace every x in gx function with fx function. So fx is x minus 1. So x minus 1 square and 5 times x minus 1. X minus 1 square plus 5 times x minus 1. I'm going to expand x minus 1 square on the side. X minus 1 times x minus 1. X times x times negative 1. X square minus x. And negative 1 times x, negative 1 times negative 1. So negative x plus 1. Let's combine x squared minus 2x plus 1. So x minus 1 squared is x squared minus 2x plus 1. And we're going to distribute property again. 5x minus 5. Let's combine like term. X squared, negative 2 plus 5 is 3. So 3x, 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Next question. F of g function. So we're going to replace all t with the f function. Ft is 2t. So we're going to replace 2t squared and 2t. So 2t squared plus 2t. 2 squared is 4t squared and plus 2t. Next question, number 4, f of g functions. We replace every t in f function with a gt. So negative t squared. So negative and negative t squared minus 3. Negative t squared is t squared, and you have to bring down negative sign, minus 3. Next one, number 5, f of g function. So we replace every n in f function with g function. So n plus 3 is g function. So 3 times n plus 3 squared and minus n plus 3. I'm going to find out what's n plus 3 squared on the side. N plus 3 times n plus 3. N times n times 3. So n squared plus 3n. 3 times n, 3 times 3. So 3n plus 9. So n squared plus 6n plus 9. Now we're going to multiply by 3. So 3 times n squared plus 6n plus 9. N plus 3. So now 3n squared plus 18n plus 27 minus n minus 3. We combine the like terms. 3n squared, 18n minus n, 17n, 27 minus 3, 24. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.